Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and configure Samsung Health in your Galaxy M15. To this operation, slide up and search for the icon named Samsung Health. Yeah, this is it. And as you see, it's our first setup for Samsung Health. So continue. Let's click on the all. Continue one more time. Allow for a notification. Allow for activity. Choose the focus. As you see, I agree. So this is our Samsung Health, and there is everything about your health. You can do the activity, you can check together with someone else. Nope, you can fitness and see your page. So that's all about the configure Samsung Health. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!